Welcome to Best AI Prompt. We explore how powerful prompts unlock AI's creative potential, from 3D simulations to practical applications. Today I'm showing you how I used Gemini to create the Aetherium, a 3D weather simulation built entirely from a single prompt. My prompt strategy was all about clarity and specificity. I structured it into clear sections: concept, visuals, interactions, and technical requirements. Instead of saying, "make it pretty," I specified exact libraries, GPU particle systems, and even the dual control mode philosophy. The key was using vivid aesthetic language, words like ethereal, pulsating, and crystalline, to convey not just what to build, but how it should feel. Looking at the results, Gemini nailed the fundamentals: the floating island, the glowing ether core, thousands of particle instances, and a fully functional GUI with all the controls I requested. The dual mode system works exactly as designed, but there are trade-offs. The particles are uniform cyan pyramids instead of varied weather types. The dynamic skybox, transitions, and post-processing effects like bloom and god rays aren't fully realized. The glowing flora is missing. This is typical of AI code generation. It handles structure and logic brilliantly, but visual nuance needs iteration. Bottom line, Gemini delivered about 75 to 80% of the vision from a single prompt. That's impressive. With some manual refinement, this becomes production ready. The lesson? Be specific, be visual, and structure your prompts like architecture blueprints. The AI will build what you describe, so describe it well. Want to try this yourself? The complete prompt and code are in the description below. Drop your AI project ideas in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Best AI Prompt for more. Thanks for watching.